8732. During what period does the fuel pump bypass valve open and remain open? A. When the fuel pump pressure is greater than the demand of the engine. B. When the boost pump pressure is greater than fuel pump pressure. C. When the fuel pump output is greater than the demand of the carburetor. The correct answer is B. The fuel pump bypass valve opens and remains open when the boost pump pressure is greater than the fuel pump pressure. The bypass valve is designed to relieve excess pressure in the fuel system and prevent damage to the fuel pump. When the boost pump pressure exceeds the fuel pump pressure, the bypass valve opens, allowing fuel to bypass the fuel pump and return to the fuel tank. 8733. Which of the following statements concerning a centrifugal type fuel boost pump located in a fuel supply tank is not true? A. Air and fuel vapors do not pass through a centrifugal type pump. B. Fuel can be drawn through the impeller section of the pump when it is not in operation. C. The centrifugal type pump is classified as a positive displacement pump. The correct answer is C. The statement that is not true concerning a centrifugal type fuel boost pump located in a fuel supply tank is that the centrifugal type pump is classified as a positive displacement pump. Centrifugal pumps are not classified as positive displacement pumps. They rely on centrifugal force to transfer fuel and are considered dynamic pumps. The other two statements are true. 8734. Where is the engine fuel shutoff valve usually located? A. Aft of the firewall. B. Adjacent to the fuel pump. C. Downstream of the engine-driven fuel pump. The correct answer is A. The engine fuel shutoff valve is usually located aft of the firewall. This positioning allows for easy access and control of the fuel flow to the engine. In case of an emergency or during maintenance, shutting off the fuel supply at this valve helps to isolate the engine from the fuel system. 8735. Boost pumps in a fuel system? A. Operate during takeoff only. B. Are primarily used for fuel transfer. C. Provide a positive flow of fuel to the engine pump. The correct answer is C. Boost pumps in a fuel system are designed to provide a continuous and positive flow of fuel to the engine-driven fuel pump. They help ensure a consistent fuel supply to the engine, especially during critical phases such as takeoff, landing, and maneuvering. 8737. What is the purpose of an engine-driven fuel pump bypass valve? A. To divert the excess fuel back to the main tank. B. To prevent a damaged or inoperative pump from blocking the fuel flow of another pump in series with it. C. To divert the excess fuel from the pressure side of the pump to the inlet side of the pump. The correct answer is B. The purpose of an engine-driven fuel pump bypass valve is to prevent a damaged or inoperative pump from blocking the fuel flow of another pump in series with it. If one pump becomes blocked or malfunctions, the bypass valve opens to allow fuel to flow freely through the system, bypassing the affected pump. This helps to maintain fuel flow and prevents a loss of engine power due to a blocked fuel pump.